look good to be able to sell it to the next private equity firm or venture capital firm. I think family offices are probably going to be the go-to solution that most companies are going to be looking for investment from, because they tend to be a much more longer-term minded versus some of these fund structures. And I get the fund structure, right? Like, people want their return, and they want it in a reasonable amount of time. If it's stretched out longer than 5 or 10 years, they don't get that money back. I mean, look at Ripple. Like I said, there's plenty of people that ran on a seed round or Series A for Ripple that have been holding that for 12 plus years. Now they have really substantial returns on that investment. That's the benefit of private equity, but you're not liquid, right? So Pack a B, I do answer questions. I normally do it over here on YouTube for when people do super chats. If I get through all the super chats, then I'll come back over here to TikTok. So anyway, just really interesting day. Enjoyed that event. They put that on at the SMU Cox School of Business here in Dallas, which is not that far from our office. So that was pretty easy, just a little hop across the highway from where we office to be able to get to SMU. And yeah, really liked that, and excited to continue to work with Lee and the Texas Blockchain Council to continue to innovate here in Texas and bring capital markets in and to this new technology, and kind of merge those things and figure out how to work with the traditional players in that capacity. NASDAQ has applied to the SEC to tokenize their stock market, and I think it was approved. So we know all of that's coming. Which chain does it end up on? What's the settlement mechanism? There's a lot of things that people still think are up in the air that I think I know the answer to. But we'll see.